There's something about those cascades. They're mesmerizing, yet energizing. That might be the caffeine talking. Either way, it's immediately obvious that this is no regular cup of joe. It's not just iced coffee, or even cold brew. It's Nitro Cold Brew. Normally, if you wanted that creamy Nitro Cold Brew experience, you'd have to visit your local coffee house, but that can get pretty expensive. Until now.
Hey Kickstarter, I'd like to introduce you to the newest addition to the Growlerworks product line, uKeg Nitro Cold Brew Coffee Maker. uKeg Nitro is the first of its kind, an all-in-one cold brew coffee maker on Nitro. For your home, office, the park, you get it. You can make, store, and pour Nitro Cold Brew from wherever your little heart desires. If you know anything about Growlerworks, you know that we aren't strangers to craft beverage innovation. The uKeg pressurized growler, which was born on Kickstarter, is now the #1 growler in the world. That product would not have existed without the support of Kickstarter backers like you. And now we're back with uKeg Nitro. We need your help to fund the first ever at-home Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker.
The new uKeg Nitro uses Growlerworks' automatic Regulator cap technology to infuse nitro into your cold brew, which gives you that creamy micro bubble cascade and keeps it fresh for weeks. Double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel keeps your cold brew cold while not being stored in your refrigerator or cooler. We've entirely redesigned the faucet and tap to function exactly like the professional keg systems you'd find pouring Nitro Cold Brew in a coffee shop. In addition to the new faucet, we've re-engineered the tap to simply lock by folding it back. We've also made the entire process from brewing, storing, pouring, and cleaning super simple. And it's got a sweet handle. With the uKeg Nitro, making Nitro Cold Brew is as easy as filling the filters with your favorite roast, putting the filters in the uKeg Nitro, adding water, charging the cap, and placing in the fridge overnight to brew. Once brewed, you're ready to enjoy 64 ounces of fresh Nitro Cold Brew, which is about 12 cups. That's like a week's worth of Nitro Cold Brew at your fingertips.
Following the success of our first Kickstarter project, the uKeg pressurized growler for craft beer, we're now looking to you to help us bring our next major innovation to life. Our factory is ready to produce and deliver with the uKeg Nitro, and we're using funds raised from Kickstarter to place the first production order. If you back this now, you'll get the uKeg Nitro at the lowest price, plus the opportunity to receive amazing rewards from some awesome coffee partners. Thanks in advance for your support.